Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical illness is at an all-time high, plaguing us at an age of an all-time low, and I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But first, your word of the day is Aquarius, one step at a time. You are ready to blast off into adventure around the world, see different cultures, new education, newfound wisdom. You're ready to shed your wisdom, share your wisdom with those that you're going to meet, because you meet beautiful beings because you are such a beautiful being. Remember, whatever you're building, whatever you're doing, it takes time and it's going to blast off, but take one step at a time. Do not stop. And anytime that you pause, make sure you do not stay in that place, because obviously we may bend, but we never break, we never stop, because life stops for no one. That's why we always have to continue to evolve. We don't make excuses. We want to make sure we meet challenge head on, fear head on, doubt head on, and watch it run away and watch it cower, and then we continue on our place in our journey of evolution. Continue. If it takes one day at a time, 1 second at a time, 1 hour at a time, as long as you keep on moving one step at a time forward. I see the mountain ahead, and I dedicate myself to taking one step at a time. I make progress by staying focused on the present moment, the current task, and I regain my ease of living. You are air. You can't tell air where to go, where to flow, but you guys can go to the highest mountain peaks of this atmosphere, and you can see the whole entire landscape. I need you to be in that positive frequency, so you don't only just see challenge, obstacles, but you see your blessings. So love one another. Be kind to one another. And please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.